Further along the shore of Lake Ontario, first of the Great Lakes, lies Toronto, metropolis and capital of the province. It's a center of communications, and it has come to rival Montreal as the country's commercial capital. For here is a city bursting with the energies that make for business expansion. Besides new commercial buildings, Toronto boasts new centers for entertainment and the arts. There is real cultural ferment here, and never before has the city seen such large audiences for theater, music, and the dance. But the biggest show of all is still the great Canadian National Exhibition. Held for 2 weeks every year, it draws nearly 3 million visitors. It has its serious side, but there's light entertainment too. And memorable grandstand spectacles. So Toronto expands with sky-high ambition as it clamors for elbow room for growing industry and a population of 1.75 million.